Dear students, we will be studying today class 3, class 3rd environmental studies. We will be taking the first chapter, the family. We live in our home with the members of our family. You know, family is very important for everyone. Without family, children can't be brought up. So there is a very important part of the society, we call it as family. In a family there are parents, so our parents love and care for us. They cook tasty meals for us. Our grandparents are always ready to tell us stories. All our needs are fulfilled within the family. Some of the members of our family may not live with us. We enjoy meeting with them at family functions or festivals. We will be studying about Visu's family. The first chapter discussed about family. In that Visu's family, there is important information through a short story. So let us go through. Visu's mother took him to her parents' house in Lucknow in summer vacation. She promised to take him to all those places which she had loved as a child. Visu's father could not go with them. He is a soldier in the Indian Army. He had to attend a training program in Hyderabad. Visu's grandparents, Mrs. and Mr. Ajay Sharma, are wonderful people. Before marriage, Visu's mother's name was Manmeet Sharma. After marriage, she is known as Manmeet Singh. Singh is the surname of Visu's father. Vishu loves his grandparents very much. Vishu loves grandparents. His grandmother runs a training center to teach embroidery to women from a nearby slum. She sells their goods to a handicraft center. This helps them to earn money. Do you know surname? What do you mean by surname? Surname is the family name. It is used after the first name. It is used after the first name. Our mother's parents are our maternal grandparents, and father's parents are our parental grandparents. Now, Visu's grandfather teaches yoga in the park in the morning and evening. He guides the people to follow correct eating habits for a healthy life. Visu's mother completed her schooling and college from Lucknow. She is a trained Manipuri dancer. Now she teaches Manipuri dance to the children in Jaipur. Visu's grandparents told him that Manmeet his mother was a naughty child. She loved to climb on a jamun tree and pluck raw jamuns to eat with salt. Every morning Visu's grandmother washes the veranda with a broom and then makes beautiful designs of rangoli on wet floor. Visu also learned to make rangoli from his grandmother. Vishu learned many things in Lucknow. Vishu and his parents always had their meals in the dining table, but his grandparents sit on mats on mats. But his grandparents sit on the mats and eat their food in the kitchen. His grandfather says that sitting cross legged while eating is good for digestion. Once a meal is over, everyone put the dirty dishes near the water tap. His grandmother rolls the mats and keeps them on a shelf in the kitchen. Visu learned yoga and from his grandfather. He also learned to sew buttons on his shirts. Visu loves to visit his father's parents also. His grandparents live in Kapurthala. Visu's father's brothers and their family also live with them. It is fun to live in a joint family. Visu loves to play with his cousins. They all speak Punjabi every morning and whole family performs Havan together. Then they have their breakfast and go to school for work. Visu's grandparents take the children to meet his father's sisters. She lives in a village, Raja Kalan. Everyone enjoys a visit to her home. They ate under the shade of the trees. His uncle took the children for a ride on a tractor. A family can be small or a big. A small nuclear family is one where father and mother live there with their children. In a big or joint family, many members of the family live together in the same house: grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins. The important thing about a family is that the members love one another, they share their happiness and help each other in time of a need. This is the chapter in which we have understood one thing, that there is a nuclear family. In nuclear family we have one particular small family in which father, mothers live together with the children, and a joint family in which grandparents, uncle, aunties, cousins all used to live. All of you have understood?